Welcome back to SonicSnap. Today we're breaking down a track that every dancehall fan can relate to. Wemi Lighter Day is more than a song, it's an anthem about frustration, vibes, and pure everyday life.
Sorry, Mummy, give me a peanut porridge, please.
From the jump, it's everyday Jamaican life. Peanut porridge in the morning, a spliff on deck, and the hunt for that one thing everybody loses, your lighter.
Yeah, boy.
That tune you can't miss. That tune you can't miss. Same thing I wanna hear than foreign Lighta tape full of the district. Just beat up a cup of porridge. Now me a build up a spliff. Want put flame on it. Can't find me Lighta, coulda want this. When me light on it. 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 When me light on it.
This hook is addictive, simple, repetitive, and instantly relatable. It turns a small annoyance into a chant, like everybody's anthem when the lighter gone missing.
When me light on it. 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 Out if me light and me want it. Pass me the strike and no charge it. Come run attack, you have a plan. With me lighter in your hand.
Now it flips from humor to accusation. The lighter thief becomes a metaphor, not just for losing fire, but for people around you who take what's yours. Suddenly, the song feels bigger, more universal.
Yeah, boy.
Me lighter in your hand. I go find the same thing. Are the world complaining? The church me want to keep blessing. Don't think say a blessing. When me lighter there. 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 Lighter leash for the lighter thief no flame. How me feel like me trees. Nobody beg me no light they please. When me can't find my light me grieve.
Here, the vibe gets raw. Losing the lighter isn't just small stress. It's pain, frustration, even grief. The delivery brings out comedy and seriousness all in one.
Light me grieve. You think you did get wet? Make a night stop chat and step wet. When me like me someone you better stop there. Me not care where you are yet say. When me light on it. 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 When me lighter, lighter. Hey, where is my lighter, lighter?
Closing with that chant makes the track stick in your head. By the end, you're not just listening, you're shouting along. So here's my take. Wemi Lighter Day works because it's funny, it's real, and it turns a daily annoyance into dancehall fire. What do you rate this one out of 10? Drop it below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more SonicSnap reviews.